Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, Alex. My name is Chloe. Nice to meet you.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks. And you?
So, what brings you here today?
I came for the art exhibition. It looks fantastic.
Where are you originally from?
I grew up in Canada, but I live here now.
How long have you been living in this city?
I've been living here for almost 5 years.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. The city is very lively.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer for a tech company.
Is that an interesting job?
Yes, it is. I really enjoy the creative parts.
What did you study in college?
I studied fine arts and digital media.
Are you enjoying the weather today?
I am. The sun is shining, which is rare.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I mostly read and listen to music.
What kind of books do you prefer?
I usually read science fiction.
Do you have any interesting hobbies?
I try to go hiking every month.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't, but I wish I could play the guitar.
What is your favorite sport to watch?
I love watching basketball.
Do you go to the gym often?
I go about 3 times a week.
What was the last movie you saw?
I watched a documentary about climate change.
What is your favorite kind of food?
I could eat Italian food every day.
Do you have a favorite restaurant here?
Yes, there is a great Italian place downtown.
Do you like to cook?
I do, but I'm not very good at it yet.
What do you usually do on the weekends?
I often visit my family or go to the market.
Have you seen any good TV shows lately?
Yes, I binged a new crime drama last week.
Is there anything you are looking forward to this week?
I am meeting an old friend for dinner on Friday.
Have you traveled much recently?
I haven't traveled abroad this year, just a few local trips.
Where is the best place you have visited?
Korea. Culture was fascinating.
Where would you like to travel next?
I want to explore Japan.
If you could learn one new skill instantly, what would it be?
I would choose to speak fluent French.
What is one thing you can't live without?
My phone, sadly. I use it for everything.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Lily. She is very lazy.
What is your favorite season of the year?
Autumn, because I love the cooler weather.
What is your favorite memory from your childhood?
Spending summers at my grandparents' farm.
What are you most proud of?
Finishing my first marathon last year.
Are you generally a positive person?
I try to be. It makes life easier.
What was your dream job as a child?
I wanted to be an astronaut.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Definitely coffee. I drink at least 2 cups a day.
What is the best advice you've ever received?
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
What are your current goals?
I am trying to save money for a down payment.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I have a small dinner with close friends.
What did you think of the exhibition?
I thought it was very interesting.
What time is it now?
It is almost 4:45 p.m.
Are you meeting anyone later?
Yes, I am meeting my friend for a walk.
Is there anything else you are looking for here?
No, I think I am finished.
Where are you heading next?
I need to stop by the bookstore.
Do you know the best way to get to the train station from here?
You can take the number 14 bus right outside.
Will you be coming back to this venue soon?
I might be if they have another event.
Can I have your number?
Course. I will give you my card.
I hope we run into each other again.
Me too.
Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too. Take care.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English videos.